You just uploaded your best video yet. Great thumbnail, solid title, content you're actually proud of. But here's what's about to kill it. 8 things you're probably doing right now that are silently destroying your video's chances. Most creators have no idea that these actions even matter, but I've watched them turn potential viral videos into complete flops. After helping dozens of small creators recover from these exact mistakes, I'm going to show you exactly what not to do in the next 48 hours if you want your video to actually get seen. Imagine this, you spent 6 hours editing, you're genuinely proud of the content, you uploaded at 3 p.m. on Tuesday, and you immediately click to watch it because you're excited. You watch 30 seconds and think, this looks good, and you close it. Congratulations, you just told YouTube that even you don't want to watch your own video. This kills small channels. YouTube has almost no data on your video yet. If you're one of the first 5 views and you click off after 10 seconds, you just told YouTube this video sucks. Your retention rate is now 20% based on just you. YouTube basically puts your video in timeout. It stops showing it to new people and your growth dies before it even starts. If you really need to check your next video, watch it all the way through. Better yet, wait a few hours and let the real viewers give YouTube the data it needs first. Mistake number 2, sharing with the wrong audience. I get it, you're excited. You want to share your video with your mom, your friends, your coworkers. Stop right there. Unless your mom is really interested in your sketch comedy videos, she's not your target audience. She might click out a love, watch 30 seconds to be supportive, and then click off. YouTube sees this traffic with terrible retention and thinks, oh, this video doesn't work. It stops showing your video to people who actually watch it. You're training YouTube to think your content appeals to people who don't actually want to watch it. Your friends and family love you, but they're probably not going to watch your 15-minute gaming highlights. Save the sharing for when you have a video that's already proven itself. Sometimes creators know they're making mistakes like these, but they can't figure out which ones are actually holding them back. I just created a quiz that helps you identify what's really stopping your channel growth. You can find it in the description below. It gives you personalized insights, actionable strategies to finally break through your plateau and start building real momentum. It takes a whole 2 minutes. Your video's been up for 6 hours. It has 23 views. Panic sets in. Maybe the thumbnail isn't good enough. Maybe you should change the title. Here's what happens when you change anything after upload. YouTube treats it like a brand new video. All that initial momentum, gone. It's like YouTube hits the reset button on everything it learned about your video. I've seen creators change one word in their title and lose all momentum. Their video dies. Anytime I've done this past the first 2 hours, I have never seen an improvement. YouTube needs time to test your video with different audiences. Give it at least a week, or even 2 to 4 weeks. If your video is really performing badly after 2 to 3 weeks and you're confident that you have a better title or thumbnail, then consider changing it, but not before. Take it from someone who's changed his past stuff way too much. None of it has ever made a difference. There are better things to do with your time. Take those lessons into the next video. This one breaks my heart. I see so many small creators delete videos after a week because they only got 50 views. Videos can randomly explode months later. I've had a video suddenly take off 6 months after it was dead. Anything can get picked up by the algorithm later. Every video is a lottery ticket. When you delete videos early, you're throwing away lottery tickets that could still win. Give every video at the very least a month. Unless it's really embarrassing or off-brand. You never know which one will be your breakthrough. This is exactly what I call the valley of death. It's that brutal period of time where you're creating good content, but the numbers don't show it yet. Most creators quit right here, right before their breakthrough. I actually made a whole video about how to survive this phase and the complete system that got me through it to 20,000 subscribers. It's all about having the right strategy, tactics, and mindset working together so you don't give up when things look hopeless. You can watch it next. Stop checking your analytics every 20 minutes. I know it's tempting, but it doesn't do anything for you, except maybe make you feel worse. Heck, analytics under 1,000 views are basically meaningless. Maybe your click-through rate is lower than normal on a video, so you think, I'm never gonna make a video like that one again. But maybe it's because the almighty algorithm pushed you to a new audience. You see that your average watch time is higher than normal, so you think you need to make more videos like the latest one. But maybe this is your first video at 20 minutes and you normally make ones at 8 minutes long. Early data is chaos. It's like trying to predict the weather by looking at a single cloud. When your channel is smaller, your data set is too tiny. This doesn't hurt your videos, it hurts your confidence. When you're checking your analytics every hour, seeing no movement, you start doubting everything about your content. Check your analytics for the first couple hours after uploading. Respond to comments, but then stop. You can come back after 3 to 4 days. Videos that aren't getting something like 200 views a day don't mean much. Focus on videos that have at least that before making any decisions based on data. YouTube plays at scale. Until you're also at scale, the analytics don't mean much. Just $5 for 1,000 views. Sounds really tempting when you're stuck at 47 subscribers. Don't do it. Never buy views. There is no bigger way to tank your channel. Bought views come from random accounts with no connection to your niche. The almighty algorithm gets confused. It thinks your MMA tutorial is popular with people who watch cooking videos or dog compilations. You're basically teaching YouTube to show your content to the wrong people. Plus, bot views have terrible retention. You're paying to tell YouTube your content is bad. There are no shortcuts. Organic growth takes time, and it's the only growth that actually builds a sustainable channel. You win by outlasting those who couldn't wait for it to work. If this is helping you see your post-upload strategy a little bit more clearly, click the like button. It really helps other small creators like you find this advice too. You just uploaded to YouTube, so you immediately post the same video chopped up to TikTok, Instagram, YouTube Shorts. You turn it into a post on X and LinkedIn. Stop. You think you're being efficient, but you're actually shooting yourself in the foot. Each platform rewards slightly different behaviors or content styles. I'm going to guess that you don't have a team of people helping you. Unless you have some help, or at the very least you're doing this full time, there is no way that you were able to customize your content for each platform, let alone have the time to learn the ins and outs of how to do each one of them well. If you're a small creator, you should focus on one thing at a time. Learn YouTube first, build an audience, then think about other platforms. Trying to master every platform at once means you'll just be mediocre at all of them instead of great at one. It's slowing down your momentum. Pick one platform, get really, really good at it. That's your best chance at growth. Once you have a real audience there, then consider expanding. Your comment section in the first few hours is pretty crucial. If the top comments are negative, it creates a snowball effect. People see negativity and pile on. You don't have to delete every critical comment, but if there's something really toxic or misleading at the top, moderate it. The first few comments set the tone for everyone else. You can use this to your advantage. Engage with positive comments early to boost them up. Ask a question in your video that encourages specific comments. Guide the conversation. I know this stuff is frustrating. You work hard on your videos, and it feels like the almighty algorithm is working against you. But here's the thing, most of these mistakes come from impatience and anxiety. And I get that. I worked with a creator who was getting under 1,000 views for every video. And after we had a chat and explained how some of these things work against you, he's now getting 3,000 plus views on his videos, anywhere from a 3x to 7x outlier on his videos. Same content quality, he just stopped sabotaging himself with these mistakes. The hardest part about being a small creator isn't making good content, it's having the patience to let that content find its audience. Your breakthrough video might be the next one you upload, or it might be the 50th. But if you keep making these mistakes, you'll never know which one it could have been. That patience piece is exactly what I dive deep into in this video. I'll show you the complete 3-pillar system that I used to go from 0 to 20,000 subscribers in 6 months, including how to handle that mental game when you're stuck at low views, plus the strategic foundation and tactical tools that work together so you can finally break through your plateau and build real momentum on YouTube. I'll see you there.